Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use curve speed on CapCut for PC. So here the curve speed is actually can be used for you to adjust the speed of your video. So just click on clips and then you want to go to speed at the top right, and here you can see curve, and in the curve there's like a preset of speed that you can choose, like there are 6 of them, but you can also customize it on your own just by dragging these circles up and down like so. You can adjust it as you want, and here is what the video look like with the curve speed that I made. But if you want to redo it, just click on redo and it will be reset like this. And you can also, I'm going to drag the speed down, and you can also click on the smooth slow-mo to create a smooth slow motion video, and it will be processing. You can just wait until it finishes. But if you don't want to bother creating a customized preset like this, you can always use this curve speed that is provided by CapCut. Okay guys, so that's basically how you can use curve speed on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!